Hello everybody, my name is Brian Green. I am the Columbia College librarian and the instructor for this course. And the course is getting started here on Monday, February 25th. I'm recording this over the weekend, and this is just a quick little introduction video to the course to show you a couple of key highlights to make sure you're familiar with the things you need to know about Canvas and our course shell. So let's get started. First of all, this is our home page here, and their navigation over on the left can help you get to different aspects of the course. That will be helpful. Over on the right, you'll have some things over here on the right. This will look a little bit different because I'm logged in as the instructor right now, but you will see the assignments kind of underneath this coming up section. So a few things I want to show you. First is under your account. If you click on that there, you can go in and change your profile, put a picture if you don't already have one, change your notification settings so you don't get bombarded with emails if you don't want. Just select the ones that you do want. Maybe just get notifications for upcoming assignments or something like that. Then the other things I want to show you, discussions. Discussions are a key part of this course. I'll click on discussions here. We'll have one a week, and you can see they're showing that it's not available until Monday, but you'll be able to go into the discussions, and this is what they'll look like. Key parts of the discussion. One is that you need to respond to the prompt and write your original post by Wednesday night of each week, and then you need to respond to 2 classmates by Sunday of each week. So remember, you have 2 parts of this. By Wednesday, you have to do 1 post, and by Sunday night, you need to respond to 2 classmates. Okay, and you do the post by clicking this little reply button, and there you go. Other things I want to show you: the Confer Now link over here on the left. We have virtual lectures once a week, Mondays at 2 p.m. That's when I'll be available live and be recording to go over the material for the week, talk about the homework, answer any questions. You do not need to be there live at 2 p.m. on Monday. However, what you do need to do is you need to watch the video, and at some point during the video, I'll do a question of the week that you'll need to respond with in the assignment section so that I know that you attended and watched. If you're there Monday at 2 p.m. and you participate live, then you don't need to do that. I'll note that you're there and give you credit for it. But if you say, you do it on a Tuesday or a Wednesday or whenever, you should do it early in the week. But if you do it, later Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just make sure you respond to that question so you get full credit for it. Okay. Well, 2 other things I want to show you. One is the modules. This is a way you can navigate through the course. We have 5 units because it's a 5-week course, and you can just start and go through them linearly if you want and just work your way down. You can see these are the different units. They won't become available until the Sunday of each week. Okay, so you can go in, start, and you should start here and then work your way down. There'll be some assignments. First assignments are due this week on Wednesday. There are actually 3 small assignments due on Wednesday, so pay attention to those. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is the grades. You click on grades here. Let's see if it's going to go. I have kind of slow internet here at home. So if I click on grades, is it going to bring it up for you? Anyway, in the grade book, I'm sure it'll show up momentarily. In the grade book, you could see all of your assignments and the score that you got. I try and, respond very quickly and post your grades within a few days of the assignment being over. So you see all your scores will show up here. If you scroll down to the end, you can see there are kind of a lot of assignments here for 5 weeks. You can see your grade for the assignments, for the quizzes. There'll be a quiz each week. For the discussions, your participation in discussions. For the virtual lectures, as I mentioned. Extra credit, I usually come up with an extra credit assignment towards the end of the course. Don't count on it though. But in past semesters, I have made that available. And then the total score here, so you can keep track very easily with what your score is in your grade in the course. Okay, last thing I'll show you is in the inbox here. This is one way you can get a hold of me. You can also just call me. My phone number is on the library's homepage. You could just send me a direct email address if you wanted. But here in this inbox, you can go and compose a message here, and it'll go right to me. All right. And if anybody has any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. The first virtual lecture is Monday, the 25th, first day of the course at 2 p.m. And that's when they'll be for the next 5 weeks. Okay. Looking forward to working with everybody this semester. And good luck. Bye now.